What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Sorry, I'll adjust this a little bit. Junk from Work's been putting up all these tool haul videos and stuff, so I'm gonna do my usual jump on the fucking Junk from Work bandwagon, and I'm gonna do a tool haul video. I've been riding his ass for the last, I don't know how many months, but it's worked out pretty well for me, so here it goes. In all seriousness, though, picked up some cool tools today, and a few other things I want to show you, but this is just a small tool haul. I was at Home Depot today, and I'm going to show you what I got. First things first, a Basin wrench. Universal sink wrench. This thing was $13.32. You know, I have one at work and just one, and we have a bunch of properties, so I bought this to keep it in the truck. I don't think you can fuck these up, so I'm gonna say it works well. But obviously I'll try all these tools out and let you guys know. This is a Husky brand. Next one up, I have no clue what I'll use them for, but it's Crescent. We got low profile wire cutter and mini pliers. I've seen some videos on YouTube recently that have said things. I don't know if they're Crescent brand, probably not. I think this is Crescent made in China. Let me see for you. Made in China. Yep. Now, me personally, I know. Fucking think everything's made in China, so not a big deal there. Here are the pliers. Pretty cool. Now if they'll show up better that way. Got some nice spring action. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but I like these wire snips out. Look pretty solid. I'll let you know. I definitely like the handle grips. You know, they feel good in the fucking hands. Next up, these are 8-inch diagonal cutting pliers and prying tip. And what they have is, and I actually got the idea from Brad's workbench. Now these are Dwall, the Crescent things. I think $20. Yeah, $20 for this. I got this idea from Brad's workbench. This is a DeWalt tool. Fucking looks exactly like a, you know, Stanley, because it is Black & Decker. But I got the idea. Brad's workbench, I think he had a Harbor Freight one that has that angle, and I use dikes to cut nails and stuff, and I think it's a good idea to be able to get right up on the floor. You know, if you're, say you have your floor here and you get right up there, be able to pinch nails off, or, you know, I don't know. That's kind of my idea. Sometimes you gotta cut nails out, trim pieces and whatnot. You know, and they were 13 No, hold on. They're fucking $20. These were $20. Jesus, that's a lot of money. I'll test them out. I looked at the Dwall hand tools, and they just don't appeal to me. That's just me, though. You know, everyone has a different cup of tea, I guess you would say. But I will give them a try. Grips aren't too bad. They feel well made. You know, pretty well lubed. Nice snap action. Now the last one is pretty freaking cool. This is a Crescent Pivot Pro. 40% less effort to cut. And they do that. These were, I think these were 1833. Sorry, these were 1435. So how do they make these easier? That right there. And I tell you what, man, swinging it out, it could be complete gimmicky. These are Crescent. They have a nice handle grip on them. But I gotta say, I liked the idea. I opened them up in the store like that. They feel good. They look good. You know, they look pretty decent. The handles are really nice on these too. Like Dwall, you can feel the metal right inside. This has some cushion to it. So that's my little Home Depot haul. These are Work Pro Jorgensen bar clamp set. I did get these for free from Work Pro. You know, some people prefer these styles, you know, true woodworkers, like Brad's workbench. I find myself using these, you know, like pistol quick grips, Irwins a lot, but I do have a few pairs of this because as I improve on building shit myself, and this was a 2-piece set. I'm very, very solidly made, I think, in my opinion. You can see the model number and everything there. But yeah, not bad. You know, you clamp down and you can adjust here and all good things. They have a soft tip so you don't damage your work area. 2-piece set, very nice. When I get around to using them, I will do a review on them. My last item is something I picked up at Walmart weeks ago, and I didn't want to do it by itself, and I've already used it a few times. Or, you know, some hex keys, long ones. These are just like a keep in my truck set because I run all over the place. I can't guess every freaking problem I'll have. You know, if I go someplace on a shower control, odds are I'll forget my set at, you know, the shop, and having these in the truck, get handles off sometimes or whatnot, they're just useful. I think they were like maybe $10, but you get the standard and metric, and that's it, man. And women, I like these a lot. I dig them. I do dig them. Can't wait to use them. And all good. Anyways, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Sorry I haven't been up to date on the videos. I've been doing some live streams just to get some time on YouTube, but you know, shit happens, life happens. I appreciate all of you watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.